This overripe plantain is not just looking high catchy, it tasted great. Stay tuned, lovelies, and let me share the recipe with you. To begin with, I have prepped my red, yellow, green bell peppers ready, red onion, sliced cheese, chips, and 2 eggs. If this is your first time on my channel, my name is Annie Krieger. Thank you so much for tuning in. To my returning subscribers, thank you for coming back to watch. Today I bring you a recipe on what to do with your overripe plantain. I was having enough of deep frying my overripe plantain every time, so I had to come up with something, this delicious plantain roll. I know some people like to fry their overripe plantain, they enjoy it, but I do not enjoy it. And this one was the right choice for me. Guys, I have 2 overripe plantain here. I went ahead to clean them, to wash them, and then tap dry it and slice just like you see here. I needed something unique, something delicious, something outside what I am used to seeing. There's a lot of recipe on what to do with your overripe plantain. I am sure you will like this recipe. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Hit the notification bell. You will be the first to be notified anytime I post a new video. To continue, I went ahead to introduce some amount of oil on my pan. You want to go for a suitable pan, a pan that is bright enough to contain the 2 plantain, depending on how many plantain you want to do. If you want to do more for the family, you can as well do this in 2 batches, okay? So lay out your plantain just as you saw me do, just this cut, and then let it heat up a little bit. Not like you just have to be well cooked, but not on high heat. We do not want to deep fry this plantain, and also we do not want to roast it, okay? So you keep dropping small amount of oil if you feel like the pan is getting dry. This is just to give it that nice color and make it well cooked, because if it's not well cooked, it will be difficult for you to roll out. Remember, I did not season this plantain till now. If you want, go ahead and season with some salt at this point. Season with whatever you feel like seasoning with, okay? Because I'm going to season my egg, and the cheese has its own taste also. So at the side, you can see me just whisk my head, season with some amount of salt, pepper, and whisk it, and then that's it. When my plantain is done, I'm just going to set aside. Now guys, I am so glad this recipe exists. It is so delicious. This recipe, we call this in German, and in general we call plantain eine Kochbanane. Okay, afrikanische Kochbanane, that's what they call plantain in German. Okay, so this is eine übergereifte Kochbanane for Frühstück, for Brunch oder für Nachmittagessen. Es ist geeignet, es schmeckt einfach unglaublich. Okay, so guys, what I did was to go in with some amount of oil or olive oil or butter, pour in your egg and make your omelette. We need omelette for this plantain roll. Add in the vegetables because we want the egg to soak the vegetables so that they don't pour out, they don't go out, they don't drop while you eat or roll out. Add the cheese just to melt, cover it up and let it cook very gently, okay? To our plantain, I spread out some plastic on my working surface, working board, cover again with plastic, and then just you want to use your pin or glass or whatever you have that is capable to do this. Just make sure you pound them gently, because if it's too much they will get tear, and that is what we do not want. And make sure it is rolled out in this straight form, not with side but straight form, okay? And back to our omelette. It is well cooked. The cheese has melted. I just added some chips. Okay, cheese chips. Okay. And yeah, that is it. Come back and pull down your plastic. Okay. Drop your omelette and roll it out. This is one point you have to be careful. You see, while rolling this, you do not want to roll along with the plastic. So have your plastic at the edge so that you don't roll it inside, okay? Because if not, it's very difficult to take out. I don't know if I've mentioned this before. This is my third time of doing this, okay? So please do not roll out with the plastic. It will be difficult to take the plastic out. When you have done got to the edge of it, just pull down the upper plastic, cover up again with the plastic. You need the plastic to roll it out, but not inside the roll, inside your plantain roll. Okay, you want to be careful. Make sure when you are done, just like this as I'm describing, cover it again with the plastic and roll out. And that is it. Have you liked this video? Subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Thank you all so much for always coming back to watch my video. I appreciate you all so much. Okay, so what I did was to cut off the edge of the plastic and just pull it down in my pan again. This is because I want to have the temperature I need for my breakfast. Okay, I just want to make it heat up again, and you know, it still looks a little bit crispy on the side after doing this, toasting it again. And if you ask me, guys, will I try this recipe again? I've been trying it again and again. My family loves it. It tastes good. I'm sure you will like this recipe. Please try it out and please give me feedback if your family love it. You can't say no to this recipe, okay? Please share with your loved ones and also like and leave your comment down below. I went ahead to cut it on those shape. Look at this, guys. Look at this. You know, you can have it with some tomato sauce, with some chutney, with some any dip in sauce. It's also good for this, okay? So thank you guys for always coming back. To my returning subscribers, if you are new, you are highly welcome in my channel, okay? Feel free to like, subscribe, and leave your opinion down below. I hope you like it. See you in my next one, guys. Bye for now.